Old square button Montgomery. Let me get a view here.
This is the
Let's listen to the motor.
3, 2,
Wow, classic levels. Let me see something here. This is pretty unique.
rubber bumper,
Yeah. Go down.
G,
Montgomery.
from the mid-70s.
Let's listen. This one doesn't classic level down here.
No. Let's go to 2,
Alright, no one's down here. I thought someone was down here.
because I think this deserves another ride.
Let's listen to it. That's the way it levels.
And let's go to 1.
Alright, so we'll show an intermediate.
Alrighty. Here's the Montgomery GMP sign, indicator, a nice elevator with DieselDucy.
Okay, and I hit the wall.
There's DieselDucy.
It doesn't classic level in the down direction.
No.
Let me see this. Wow, look at this. This looks like 80s.
But it's actually,
Buttons. They both light up. Let me watch the door close. On the tour here.
but again, this is from the mid-70s.
That'll be it.
And this was a nice
All right,
one.
let me take some pictures.